Hello everyone, my name is Anikett. Today's date is 30 July 2024 and today we are going to see about the types of constructor in Java. Constructor means constructor name should be same as a class name, and constructor have no any return type, and no return type. Constructor do not have a return type, not even avoid this distinguishes constructor from other method in the class. Automatic invocation and invocation constructor automatically called when a new object is created using the new keyword, and ensuring the object in a constructor, and initialization of object. Constructor are primarily used to initialize the instance variable of a class. They set the initial of an object, and there are three types in constructor: parameterized constructor, and default constructor, and copy constructor. First is parameterized constructor. First is a default constructor. Default constructor means if no any explicit defined in a class, Java provides a default constructor automatically. This constructor initialize the instance variable with their default values for numeric type null for object reference. Parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor means this constructor takes one or more parameter, allowing the initialization of an object with a specific values provided at the time of object creation. And if is useful for setting different initial states for different object of the same class. The constructor overloading definition. Constructor overloading definition is constructor overloading occurs when a class has more than one constructor, each with a different parameter list. And purpose of constructor overloading constructor means the overloading constructor provide flexibility in how objects are created and initialized. It allows the creation of object in multiple ways based on the provided parameter. Example and use of constructor types. An object can be initialized with default value. An object can be initialized with user specified value, and object can be initialized with the specified values, and object can initialize with combination of default and user defined values. Special note on constructor. These keywords are used in a constructor, and this keyword is used within a constructor to refer to the current object. It can also be used to all another constructor in the same class. This is known as constructor chaining and helps in reducing code duplication. The instance of constructor. Instance of constructor means constructor are not inherited, but a subclass can all call a superclass constructor using the super keyword. If superclass does not have argument constructor, the subclass must explicitly call one of the superclass parameterized constructor. The constructor chaining. means constructor chaining means this is the practice of calling. This is a practice of calling one constructor for another constructor using this keyword for constructor within the same class of the super keyword for calling super class constructor. It ensure that initialization is done in a structured and hierarchical manner. These points covers the theoretical aspect of constructor in Java, and this is the information of the types of constructor. Thank you.